Introducing Internorm's glass balustrade system. It's shown here, assembled and attached to one of our uPVC-aluminium clad window systems, full height window. It's factory fitted, again by Internorm, so you can rest assured with the quality that you'll receive and also that it complies with the UK building regulations. It's available with colour matched fixing posts so that it will match your selected window frame options from Internorm. It would make a perfect solution for the Juliet balcony. As I said, this is shown with full height windows, and it would be a really nice, clever addition to this if we had some form of integral blinds. Well, we have just that.